You said something about being a tradie, and it's just not something that you usually come across. How does being a tradie affect you?
Being a tradie and living in that culture, you're always taught to suppress like your moods or how you're feeling. Like you can't sort of show vulnerability or weakness. You know, you're looked at as being weak. Not just being a tradie, just growing up in in that era, and our parents, just society in general. But all it does is creates more problems. And what I've really learnt is, by being vulnerable and showing that you might be at a bad, a scary place or a weak place or whatever it is, it just doesn't matter. But just going to that place is where the power and beauty lies, man. And once you go there and you experience it and you work through it, you'll be blown away by the results that you'll get. Absolutely blown away. Mark my words.
Thank you. Thanks for being